Looking for a film from the Portland State University Library? You can search for streaming films through our catalog. The library offers a wide range of films, from documentaries to international films, including popular movies. To find films, follow these basic steps. But before you start, it's a good idea to log into your Odin account, particularly if you're off campus. Logging in first will ensure you'll be able to run the film. Don't close your browser, but if you do, no problem. Just log into your Odin account again. To find a film by title, just type it into the search box. A streaming film will be listed as an e-video. Click on the link that reads Online Access to run the film. In the white box under View It, click the link listed after the phrase Available online at. To find a film by the name of a director or actor, simply type in the name. If you don't see any films listed, but other items with the same search term, you can eliminate those by filtering. To filter out items that aren't films, such as books or articles, scroll down until you see the heading Resource Type. If you don't see the streaming option listed, click on Show More. Select the streaming option, then click on the button that reads Apply Filters. You can also search for films by genre. Here's an example of searching for film noir films. Just like the previous examples, type the genre in the search box, then click the search button or hit enter. Like before, if you don't see a film listed, click on Resource Type, then select the streaming option. A handy tip: the films you find should have transcripts available. Perfect if you need to quote the film for your paper. If you do not see transcripts, please let us know. That's it. If you have any questions, please contact the library.